Hello and welcome. This is CryptoSchain with simple cryptocurrency demos, and today I would like to do a demo on Neo Name Service's new feature within the Nel wallet. And this new feature enables you to sell your domain name, okay, which is mapped to your Neo address, which is the alphanumeric address that we can see here, okay, that everyone gets assigned when they create a brand new wallet on the Neo blockchain. And of course you can unmap your address from your domain name and you can sell it, okay, on the Neo blockchain. Okay, you sell it on the Neo blockchain, but you use the Nel Explorer to actually sell it. That's where you can actually see that your domain name is for sale, as we can see here, as this is the new feature that was recently added. Okay, domain names on sale on scan.nel.group. Now I'm going to be posting the links, of course, both to the wallet and to the domain name explorer, to the blockchain explorer, in the description below. So check that out if you're interested in getting the links to be able to access these pages. Okay, so how do you actually sell a domain name? So at the moment I've got my domain name already mapped to my address. So the first thing you need to do is, it actually tells you here when you go to the sell button, is you need to clear the address map in the edit window. So of course you go to edit. This is my address mapping. This is my address. All I need to do is delete it from here, and then I wait it out. Okay, once I do that, then of course it's going to disappear. It's going to be blank. So my domain name will be free, okay, will no longer be assigned to my address, but I'll still own this domain name. I will just not be able to receive any funds because it's no longer mapped to my address. Now I do need to check with Neo Name Service to see what actually happens if people send you funds to your domain name when it's no longer mapped to your address, because I'm guessing that they're still on the blockchain and you may actually get them as soon as you map the address, but that's not confirmed yet, so I will need to check that out and probably mention it in a later video. Now to continue on, so that's how you sell your domain name. And once you do that, once you click that sell button, of course you'll be able to choose a price. Okay, I'm not able to do that because I'm not selling my domain name, but the price will be in NNC tokens, which stands for Neo Name Credit, and this is the token which Neo Name Service created when they deployed their smart contract to the Neo blockchain. Okay, when they created their dApp, this was the token that they've created, and this is the token that's used when you want to sell a domain name or if you want to buy a domain name. This token also gives you C gas, okay, it generates C gas just for holding. Just keep that in mind. And I have done a demo on how to claim C gas for holding NNC, and I'm going to be posting a link to that demo at the end of this video so you can check it out. Okay, so let's say for example I want to buy 9ball.neo. I need 5,000 NNC, so I need to go back to my Nel wallet. So under the NNS tab you need to go to Neo Name Auction, and just like you start an auction, you just type the domain name that you want to buy, and you can see that instead of start the auction, this changes to view details, and it actually tells you here that this name is on sale. Okay, there was a typo here. They said this name is on selling. Okay, this is incorrect, so Neo Name Service need to change this. This name is on sale. So for example, you go to view details, and here we can see that the selling price is 5,000 NNC. Now I have enough, so if I wanted to buy it, I could just click the buy button. That would generate a transaction on the Neo blockchain, and it will show up in the Nel wallet here, where you can see the hourglass on the top right hand corner. Okay, that will show me a number 1, which means that the transaction is processing on the blockchain. So yes, that's how that part would work. Now let's say for example I want to buy, I would like to buy, for example, I don't know, wgames.neo, which costs more NNC than I actually own. So wgames.neo, let's go back, games.neo. So this is on sale. Go to view details, and here we can see that the buy button is grayed out, and it tells me that I can't buy it due to insufficient NNC balance. Okay, so I'm not able to buy that, obviously. Close that out. So yes, this is pretty much what I wanted to cover. Of course, you can actually go to, you can see the listing time. You can sort by highest price, you can sort by lowest price if you're interested. So for example, the cheapest domain name that you can find is 0.1 NNC, and this is the name here, which doesn't make much sense. But yes, some of the interesting names here, 51% attack and so on. And we can also see the most expensive one if we go and sort by the highest price, and this is unbelievably high, York.neo. So yes, you can do that if you're interested in having a look at the domain names, especially if you own a domain name and you wish to sell it or simply wish to purchase a domain name. This is how you should do it. It's very straightforward. It does take a bit of checking out, especially if you're not familiar with the Nell wallet and this is your first time checking it, but that's how it's done. Okay, I would like to thank you very much for watching my video, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Also like the video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below if you have any sort of questions, any sort of doubts. Don't hesitate to comment. I will answer your questions, and if I'm not able to answer them, I'll try and get an answer for you. Also check out NeoName Services Telegram channel, as their admins are fairly active Monday to Friday, so you will be able to get some help on there too. Thank you very much once again, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.